Stop for a moment. In 2016, hackers tried to steal nearly $1 billion out from the Bangladesh Central Bank. They didn't smash safes or storm the building. They exploited weaknesses in the very protocols that move data across the internet. Fraudulent transfer requests were sent across the global banking system, and the theft was only caught because of a spelling mistake. That's how fragile the digital backbone can be. That backbone is the TCP IP protocol suite. Hi guys, I'm DHT Ghost and welcome back to the DHT Ethical Hacking Mega Course. Episode number 5. What is the TCP IP protocol suite and how networking works? By the end of this video, you'll understand how every email, payment, or video call survives its journey across the globe, and how hackers exploit weak spots in the system. Most people think the internet is just Wi-Fi or mobile data. In reality, the internet is billions of devices, each speaking the same universal language, TCP IP. Without it, your messages would never leave your city. Your bank payments would vanish mid-flight and your Netflix stream would collapse before the first frame. Now let's break it down layer by layer. TCP IP is not one protocol. It's a cobble stack of 4 cooperating layers, each with its own role. 1. Application layer. This is the layer we touch. HTTP for websites, DNS for names, SMTP for emails, FTP for files. When you type Google.com, DNS translates that name into an IP address so your system knows where to connect. If this layer breaks, the internet feels dead even if cables are fine. Transport layer. Here lives TCP and UDP. TCP is like a courier service. Every parcel tracked, acknowledged, and resent if lost. Perfect for banking, logins, file downloads. UDP is like tossing flyers from a helicopter. Fast but no guarantee, perfect for gaming and calls. Hackers abuse this layer with SYN floods or packet injections. Your internet layer. This is the map and address book. IPv4 and IPv6 live here. Routers use it to forward packets hop by hop across continents. Think of a letter passing through 10 post offices before reaching its destination. Attacks here include IP spoofing or hijacking traffic routes. Link layer. The foundation. Ethernet frames, Wi-Fi signals, MAC addresses, ARP requests. This is raw data moving through cables, fiber, or air. Classic attacks here include ARP spoofing inside LANs or flooding a switch to cause chaos. Now the magic of TCP. Data is split into packets. Each packet is numbered, sent, checked, and confirmed. If one is missing, TCP resends it. That's why your downloaded movie never arrives half broken. UDP doesn't bother. That's why your video call sometimes blurs but doesn't freeze. Think of it this way. Application says what you want, transport decides how to send it, internet decides where it goes, and link ensures it physically moves. Together, they form the internet's universal delivery system. Try this right now. Type ping Google. You're testing internet plus transport layers. Type traceroute.google.com or tracer Google. You'll see your packets hop across routers worldwide. Open Wireshark, and you'll literally watch TCP IP in action packet by packet. So here's the big idea. TCP IP isn't just tech stuff. It's the language that makes modern life possible. If you master it, you won't just use the internet. You'll understand it at the level hackers and defenders do. If this episode made sense, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Are you more of a TCP person? You want reliability. Or a UDP person where you want speed? In the next episode, we'll learn about DNS, keep it ethical, keep it sharp. DHT Ghost out.